Welcome back to HowitKlics. I don't think people understand the magic ticking away on your wrist. Alright, let's talk about the magic ticking away on your wrist. Analog watches. They look simple, but trust me, there's a world of secrets under that glass. Today, I'm diving into how these little time machines actually work, and all the clever styles of construction you'll find out there. So first things first, what is an analog watch? In plain English, it's a watch with hands moving around a dial, usually an hour hand, minute hand, and sometimes a second hand. But how do those hands know where to point? The answer, the movement. That's the beating heart of every analog watch. There are two main styles of construction when it comes to the movement, mechanical and quartz. Let's break those down. Mechanical watches are the old school legends. They're powered by a tightly wound spring called the mainspring. You wind it up, either by hand or by just moving your wrist if it's an automatic, and as that spring unwinds, it releases energy. This energy travels through a series of gears called the gear train, which divides it up so the hands move at just the right speed. But here's the real genius, the escapement. Think of it like a gatekeeper, letting out energy in tiny regular bursts. That's what gives mechanical watches their iconic ticking sound. It's all gears, springs, and pure precision, no electronics. Now, quartz watches are a bit of a plot twist. Instead of a spring, they use a tiny battery. The battery sends electricity to a tiny piece of quartz crystal, making it vibrate at an insanely steady rate, 32,768 times a second to be exact. Those vibrations get turned into electrical pulses which power a small motor, and that motor moves the gears, which move the hands. The big win here? Quartz watches are super accurate and require way less maintenance. Let's talk style for a sec. The outside of analog watches can be just as fascinating. You've got open heart dials that show off the movement in action, skeleton cases where you can see every gear working, and classic closed dials for that timeless look. Some even blend mechanical and quartz in what's called a mecha quartz movement, best of both worlds. So, next time you glance at your wrist, just remember, all that precise engineering is happening right under your nose. That's the real secret of an analog watch. It's not just about telling time, it's about experiencing it one tick at a time.